Welcome to our exciting 1-minute concept series. Today, we have the best information lined up for you to dive into the fascinating world of core Java. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced programmer, this video will captivate you and attract more viewers. So, let's get started.
Hey, fellow Java enthusiasts. Are you ready to unravel the power of core Java? First up, we have variables and data types. Just like building blocks, variables store different types of data, like numbers, text, and even true, false values. They are essential for storing and manipulating information in your programs. Next, we'll delve into control statements. These powerful tools allow you to make decisions and control the flow of your program. Now, let's explore the world of object-oriented programming, OOP. OOP allows you to organize your code into reusable objects, making it easier to manage and maintain. We'll introduce you to classes, objects, inheritance, and polymorphism, providing real-world examples to solidify your understanding. Last but not least, we have exceptions and error handling. And there you have it, an exciting glimpse into the core Java concepts that will level up your programming skills. Thanks for your attention. Remember, mastering these concepts opens the door to endless possibilities in the world of Java development. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos.